Hi everyone. We are outside today with the little Toy Aussies. This is their first time outside. They just turned 8 weeks old. Yesterday. So we figured we'd bring them out. We shoveled a little area for them. Is anyone going to sit still? Is this too much fun? This is Sansa. Hi, Sansa. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, and there's Coconut. Hi, Coconut. And here's Moxie. Hi, Moxie. Hi, Coconut. Oh, you know I have treats. And this here was Pixie, but her new mom named her Zowie. And here is Juniper, and her new mom and dad named her Isla. Isla! Good girl. Good girl, Zowie. There's Moxie, Manding. Good girl, Moxie. Good girl, Sansa. Good sit. So that's everyone. Hope you have a great day.